Hello and welcome back to this series of lectures on statistics for nursing. In this class we will start to have a look at a very important procedure in statistical applications to nursing, namely that of hypothesis testing. And it's a procedure that in fact is complicated not so much from the number crunching point of view, which of course we will not look at, but also from the conceptual point of view. But not to worry, we're going to spend a lot of time on it. We'll do lots of examples and hopefully things will be a little bit less muddy by the end of the course. So let's see, what is this hypothesis testing procedure altogether? First of all, it's a very basic and common method for analyzing statistical data. So you're going to find it all over the place. Sometimes it is mentioned, sometimes it is not mentioned. It's just used and reported, and you'll have to figure out, that's what they're using. It applies to data, of course, that are variable and unpredictable. It's statistical data after all. But we want to keep in mind that there is this variability, there is this unpredictability, and we have to deal with that. But as a very important consequence of this fact is that this procedure actually never provides an answer. And this is something that many people have troubles accepting. But it only provides numerical evidence. So it's a procedure it's a method that will allow us to get some evidence for certain claims or other, but never a definitive answer. This is the best we can do, unfortunately, when we're facing unpredictable variability, but it's something that many people forget when they are looking at the results of this kind of a procedure. Let me give you some more important details. I'm not saying that they're more important than before, there's just more of them. Okay? So first of all, a hypothesis testing procedure addresses and tries to answer a question of the form, is it true that? And we're going to see again through examples what that means. Again, remember that when I'm saying it answers a question, it doesn't really answer it in any definitive kind of way, always based on the evidence. It provides some kind of information, but we're going to use that expression as long as we know what it means. Also, it is an inferential method. In fact, from here on, we're going to be dealing always with inferential methods. But what does that mean? It means that the is it true question is actually about the population, everyone to whom we want to apply the results of our research. But it is answered by using sample data. So we're missing a lot of the information. We're only using a little sample to figure out what's going on in the whole population. Let me refresh your mind. Again, here we have the whole population. Those are all the people, if you want, to whom we want to apply the results of the research, but we're going to use only a small subset of it, only the sample. Okay? And because of that, the conclusions of a hypothesis test is about the population, not the sample. And that's it. That is one of the reasons why it is never a definitive answer. We are going to use the sample. We're going to try and figure out how that's going to work. But remember, the conclusions are supposed to be about the population. Therefore, there is always going to be some doubt about whether that extension from the sample to the population is actually correct.